Yeah, guys, welcome to our next video, guys. Next episode. Yeah, you don't know the badness in our kitchen, guys. This evening, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cook some rice and peas. Yeah, as you can see, guys, my peas are going to soak. You understand me? I'm gonna cook some rice and peas and pigtail, guys. In a one, all in one, guys. I don't lie if you tell you. So, guys. I put my pigtail to go and soak. So I go cut him up. So my peas I go and bust. You understand me? I did. So guys, I make gonna see my pigtail. Yeah guys, so I'm a pigtail this over. So I go cut up my pigtail guys. I'm gonna see what I go on in our kitchen. Overs guys, a be a badness in our kitchen. Some bad pigtail rice and peas guys. Guys, we soon come back. Yeah guys, so see the pigtail. Yeah. I go chew in a pot and make it boil with my peas. You understand me, all these guys? Be a badness, guys. So I go chew in a pot, make it boil with the peas, and go and cut up my carrot, peel up my Irish. You don't know the badness come down, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys. So peas are going to boil. You understand me, all these? Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Yeah, guys. So I go on in the kitchen, guys. What am I gonna do? I go chew in my pigtail, guys. Don't know the badness. So my pigtail, yeah guys, I'm gonna train my pigtail, I'm gonna see what I go on. Pigtail rice and peas, guys, that one I sell off, believe that. Yeah guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so I go on in our pot over here, so. Be a badness guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so the carrot and my Irish over here, so. The overs, yeah. Guys, may I think about if you drop two spinners dumpling in it. No, me not go put no spinners in it, cause this a rice and peas. Rice and peas, pigtail and pigtail in a one, guys. So, guys, stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. We soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I cut up some season, some ground season. Don't know the badness. Guys, me got a supermarket to call, me no get no scallion on time, so I go see if me get peas still. You understand me, I did? Yeah, so you don't know the badness come down. Soon come back. Guys, I'm gonna put some more water. Thing go and boil. You understand me? How the peas one boil more, guys. You don't know the badness in our kitchen. Yeah, guys. So the peas them cook. The overs. Peas them cook, guys. So what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna put in my carrot and the Irish. The overs, yeah. Be a badness, guys. Yeah, guys. So my carrot and my Irish this. So I'm gonna put it on my pot now. Don't know the badness. Guys, I don't know the badness come down, you know. Just watch what I go on in our kitchen. Overs, yeah. Yeah guys, so I go season up the pot now. The overs. Yeah, I go season up the pot now guys. I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Guys, me not put no hard purpose on them, no maggi and them thing in my pot. The overs. Yeah. Guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. Your badness. Yeah guys, so watch your badness in the pot now. So I go on over here so guys. Yeah. Guys, just watch what I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness in a Nicholas kitchen guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so see my rice here. Yeah. Overs, this is my rice guys. So I'm gonna bust my rice, wash my rice and trim my pot guys. Be a badness. Yeah guys, don't know the badness, I go cover him down now and make him go on steam. You understand me? I did a piece of file paper. File paper, I believe you can cover it with the piece of file paper we left. So I go cover him down guys and make him go on steam down. Overs. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Yeah guys, so I put the file paper over it. So I'm gonna turn down the stove icy. You understand me? I'm gonna turn down the stove and ice him up. So my rice can't burn. Guys, watch your badness. So guys, me do a thing like this. That's what me do, yeah. So I'm gonna put the pot on it and I'm gonna see what I go on. Yeah guys, so you see what I go on over here. So guys, just stay tuned for when the pot done cook. Me not open the back until it done cook. Overs. I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna make a see what I go on in the pot now. The overs. Yeah, I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, watch your badness. Let me knock off the stove guys. So I'm gonna share out some food. I'm gonna see what I go on in the plate. The overs. Yeah guys, soon come back. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look guys. All in one, rice and peas and pigtail guys. You don't know the badness. Yeah guys, I'm out. See you in our next video guys.